let's go. I'm behind you. You okay?
No, I'm not okay.
What hurts? What hurts? What hurts?
Every goddamn thing. My shoulder.
Oh man.
I'm hurting.
I asked you, are you okay? Like your neck's not hurting, it's nothing like that, right?
I don't fucking know. know yet.
I mean, you're moving around.
Oh, my back hurts.
Bro.
Hopefully I'm okay.
Oh, bro.
How fucked up is my bike?
I don't know. Fuck the bike for right now. You feel like what? Just sit down, please. Just for a minute, just sit down. I turned it off. Man, was I recording all that?
Maybe. Look, my mirror broke again. Was you recording?
Yeah.
Yeah, man. I hear my heart beating in my ear.
This is just a shitty road. I almost ate shit earlier, and now this. He thinks he may have broke his collarbone. You don't have any service, do you?
Let me see. You want to call 911?
You want 911?
Not really.
Why not? Just get looked at. You don't have to ride in the ambulance. What is this road?
This is 10.
Highway 10? Fuck you, dude. Fuck you. What a dick.
Hi, is there any way I'm up in the country and I have no idea where I am, but can you send an ambulance or something to this location?
Did you hear that guy?
Yeah. What did he say?
He was like, slow down. I mean, my buddy's on the side of the road and he's hurting. We're Highway 10, a little past P Ridge, Highway 10 and Horton Road on the corner of, in a curve.
Yes, Marble is also called Highway 10.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay, great. Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Really, thank you so much.
I'm not about to hit him, am I?
No ma'am, you're fine. Are you,
I'm lost.
oh, are you trying to find your way?
I'm trying to go to Tuscaloosa and I got off on the wrong thing.
She's on the line, she'll gather some information while I call 911. Go ahead.
Thank you.
Ma'am, sir, my partner is getting an ambulance out to your location. What is your name?
My name is Christina, but the people, the
Wesley is who had that.
Wesley is the one.
Wesley.
Wesley, he's had an accident on his motorcycle. I just came upon it.
Tell me exactly what happened.
He actually did a couple of flips.
Oh, shit.
Right here, yeah.
Okay. Is it just the motorcycle that's involved?
Just the motorcycle that's in
That's
the
it. That's
yeah.
it.
Okay, is that John that's with me?
Say again? No, that's his friend.
My name's
Okay. How many people are hurt?
1,
How old is the patient?
30.
Okay, is he awake?
As far as I can tell, he's okay. He's awake. He's smoking a cigarette right now.
Understandable. I'm just going to gather some information for the medics, okay? Are there chemicals or other hazards involved?
No,
Not that I know
Is
of.
anyone pinned?
no. His bike is, but no, he's not. He's fine. He's sitting right beside his bike.
Now, does everyone appear to be completely awake?
Is he coherent? He's awake.
Hey, Wesley, what's today's date? Yeah, no. Who's the president of the United States?
Okay.
I think he's.
Yeah, he's
he
okay.
He may have a concussion.
What turn of the flashing hazard light?
Is that your people?
I don't know who. That's just the motorcyclist. We all stop for each other.
Ask that bike guy if he'll go upstream a little bit and just make sure nobody's coming. That way.
That way.
Can see is this way.
Okay.
Stop coming around that corner. Nobody can see it.
Okay. Hey, bud.
Need me to move my bike?
She asked if you would. I'm glad you didn't wipe out.
Yeah, right. Well, I
Man.
seen your motorcycle first, so I slowed down. I was checking it out.
I'm glad, because if you don't know this road, you'd probably ate shit.
Oh, yeah.
It's not in gear, is
Yeah,
it?
it's in gear. I guess it'd have to be.
Sorry, buddy. Sorry.
Looks like it may still work.
Yeah, but you ain't riding it. Not today. We'll worry about getting it somewhere, but for right now, we're worried about you. Just don't worry about the bike right now.
Still on it?
That's good.
What happened?
I don't know. I slowed down. I saw how short.
You slowed down. He did. How fast was you going?
You're not stupid, and I'm not gonna sit here and be like, "Oh no, we weren't," you know.
You good? I mean, he ain't gonna get no citations or anything. He just. You think it's good?
Dude, they know better than I do. I'm gonna tell you, ambulance ride costs about $5,000. When I got hit, that's how much my bill was. So just heads up. But if they say you need to go, you need to go.
Where y'all taking him to?
Where you want to go to?
Shelby.
Shelby? All right.
I'm having a hot flash.
Well,
Well,
that
you
might be
forgot to
another-
take your mite all this week?
Yeah, man.
There you go.
That might be another reason you
High
need to go.
flash.
So.
There. you just got pwned, dude.
Shirt too.
You know this road?
Yeah.
Okay,
I
so
drive it every day.
okay. Yeah. Just watch out. There's some stuff.
Yeah,
There's
rocks.
some little washout down there. So yeah.
I almost wiped out right there the other morning. Yeah.
I almost say shit earlier up the road.
Yeah. It happens. If we're gonna ride, it's gonna happen.
Yeah. Oh, look.
Yeah. Did you break it?
The car hit. Yeah. Oh yeah. Compound. It came out. Yeah.
Dang.
Car hit me. I've been down.
Yeah.
I mean, it ain't my first rodeo. I've been down several times, man. You know.
Yep. Take it easy, man.
All right, bud. There he is.